So this video is just going to give you an overview of how to use the Amazon revenue calculator to get an idea of your estimated fees when selling on Amazon. So I'm going to put a link to this tool in the notes for this episode, but if you've got a Seller Central account on Amazon, you can sign in to use it. If not, click continue as guest. So what we can see here is there are two different options to work out the estimated fees for selling a product on Amazon. Now, there's two ways you can do it. So one thing you can do is, let's say I know I'm selling a product in the baby category, let's say swaddles, because I used to sell swaddles on Amazon, and I know the dimensions of my package. So let's say I'm completely making this up, by the way. Let's say this is my product dimensions, this is how much it weighs, this is how much I'm going to sell it for, and it's in the baby category. Category is important because the Amazon referral fee changes depending on the category you sell in. I'm going to click the estimate button, and let's say I'm going to not charge for delivery. That took a few seconds, but okay. So what you can see here is based on my selling price of £30, you can see what the referral fee will be for that product, the per item fee. You can also see what the fulfillment cost will be for using FBA. So this is the cost for January to September, but I'm recording this in October. So we're going to click that and hopefully that will update. You can see it costs a little bit more. This is the per month fee per unit to store a product on Amazon. And you can see all of the other costs. So that's the VAT, and you can see that's the total cost to sell this product on Amazon. Here's a net profit, here's a net margin, and this is the cost if I was using FBA. And as you can see, there are lots of things you can change here. So you can put in how many items you think you'll be sending into FBA, how many you think you'll sell per month, and that will update. So this is the estimated FBA fees. These are the estimated fees if I am selling this product on Amazon, but I'm doing the fulfillment myself. So I'll still pay the referral fee and the per item fee. I will still pay VAT. However, I'm not paying for fulfillment. So if I enter my own fulfillment costs and my own storage costs, then I'll get a more accurate comparison. But this gives me an idea of which will be more profitable for me, using my own fulfillment or using Amazon's. And as I say, the more information you can put in here, the more it helps. If you don't happen to have all of this information, because let's say that I'm looking to sell a box of swaddles, but I don't actually know what the weight and the dimensions and things like that will be, what I could also do is search for some swaddles on Amazon. So select a different product. Hopefully this one will work. And what will happen in just a moment, hopefully, is that the associated cost for selling this product on Amazon will come up. So that's another way of doing it. If you don't have the information yet for the product you're looking to sell, you haven't got any clue really of what the weight and dimensions will be, because that's really important for calculating shipping and storage costs. You can look for a similar product for yours on Amazon. If you know the name of that product, actually you found it in the catalogue, you can just put that in there and Amazon will work out the fees for you. So that's a very quick overview. It's a really useful tool. Do play around with it. Do let me know how you get on, and do let me know if you have any questions.